All right, today we're going to do a video of a 2006 TRU cylindrical grinder. It's an OD-8-20. Serial number is TTS 8080. You have your work head, your wheel head, tailstock. I'll show you basic operation. That's your jogging of your table. That is variable. You can go as fast or as slow as you want. Then you also have in and out of the wheel head. We'll start the wheel. The wheel is variable. That's going about 2,000 RPM right now. You can speed it up, go up to 2,500. And hear it speed up. Nice and smooth. And you can also start your work head. The machine has a manual collet closer mounted right now. You also have a collet Bison 6-jaw set TRU chuck that can be mounted as well. You have the balancing stand, a couple extra wheels and arbors that you can see in the photos. You do have a lateral locator up there on top. The machine has a coolant system. You can actually slow down or speed up. So you can just hear the work head. That's 200 on the work head. Then you have, we'll set it down to about 50. See, it's variable there. Tailstock. You also have a single point dresser mounted to the back of the tailstock. Machine is presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.